Leaving behind the colorful vistas of Rajasthan, we are now in Himachal, right in the lap of the Himalayas. Welcome to Mr. Bongo, and this episode is all about finding tranquility in Jispa. We are in Manali right now. We have already hired the bikes and we are all set to move towards Jispa tomorrow. So right now we are headed to Jispa. आगे a landslide हुआ है and the army is cleaning it up. जी सर. हाँ. हाँ 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 हाँ. अच्छा. जी जी जी. अच्छा. To the right एक ब्रिज दिख रहा है, तो उसी ब्रिज से हमें जाना है. Right now, it's just me and my Himalayan and Anindya and this Aprilia. कोई नहीं है आसपास. The north portal of the Atal Tunnel is like a different universe, and in a blink, you realize you are in Lahaul. So, this is the Chandra river that is flowing below, and she will accompany us all the way till Tandi. This has been on my bucket list for so long, और finally जाके ये ख्वाहिशें पूरी हो गई. व्यू इतना बढ़िया है, no memory card is sufficient to capture this. So the best thing to do is just capture it with your eyes और इसी को अपने memory में playback करते रहो. पता नहीं आपको कितना दिख रहा होगा because the GoPro is mounted on the handlebar of the Himalaya, पर एकदम light green shade है पानी का रंग, and it looks really pristine. This is the Tandi petrol pump. Huh? You want to refill? Less than half, huh? So get it na, kar lo. So this petrol pump is at an altitude of 3,250 meter and is undoubtedly one of the highest petrol pumps in the world. That's Anindya enjoying the beautiful landscape, and this is his first time riding in the Himalayas, and he's absolutely loving it. The fall colors I have been waiting for ages and years. फाइनली हम पहुंच गए जिस्पा के कर्मा कॉटेजेस में, which is our home for the next 2 nights. तो बाइक नेविगेशन में it was showing as 18 degrees Celsius, which is absolutely not the case क्योंकि weather app में अभी दिखा रहा है -2 degrees Celsius. And here we are at the homestay amidst nowhere, amidst tall mountains. आके हमने मस्त चाय पी ली and the lunch is being cooked. हो गया? आ रहा हो भैया. अनिंदो, lunch is ready. Okay, so the lunch is cooked. बहुत भूख लगी है यार. पीछे उस तरफ somewhere there the Bhaga river is flowing by. So after lunch we'll go and explore. चलो 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 ओदिके चलो ओदिके. So we have a company who will take us to the river. What a lovely winter morning at Jispa. So today is our day 2 in this beautiful Himalayan village, and it's about 9 a.m. and I'm just basking in the sun, and so are the puppies with me. Chalo. Those mountains received fresh snowfall it seems, and they look absolutely mesmerizing. तो ब्रेकफास्ट के बाद निकल गए हम फिर से and we are now headed towards Shashur Gompa. We met the owner of Karma Cottages in the morning and he mentioned there are 2 famous monasteries in this area. One is Shashur and then there is one more called Kardang. पर उन्होंने हमें recommend किया कि we should go to Shashur Gompa because apparently we'll enjoy the ride. Now let's see what's up there. Road that you can see there, that's where from we started our climb. We have been ascending since the last 30 minutes, but the Gompa is nowhere to be seen, and we don't even see a single human on the way so that we could ask them. I should also put in a word about the quality of bikes provided by Deepak Bike Rental Manali. Deepak is an amazing, ever-smiling guy who provides great quality bikes. So the next time you are in Manali, do hire from him. I'll give the details in the description. Unfortunately, the Gompa is closed, but I'm just happy I could see this view. Interestingly, the word Shashur means blue pine, and this Gompa is named so because it is surrounded by blue pines all around. And guess I'll have to come back again because in the month of June, the Chum dance is performed by the monks, and it is quite a sight to behold.